Alright, let's dive right into the unboxing of the JBL Go for Bluetooth speaker. In this small but powerful package, we have the compact speaker itself. First impressions. The Go feels premium and solid in hand despite its pocket-sized design. Now, onto the design. It looks rugged and durable, keeping JBL's signature modern, minimalist aesthetic. The fabric mesh front grille and rubberized edges are designed for portability and durability, ideal for outdoor use. It's available in various vibrant colors. Inside the box, you'll also find the USB-C charging cable, some quick start guides, and warranty information. And that's it, simple, clean packaging, with everything you need to get started. Now, let's compare the JBL Go with the JBL Go 3. First off, in terms of size, the Go is slightly larger and feels a bit sturdier, but still very portable. The design language is similar, but the Go has sharper, more refined edges and a sleeker overall look. Notice the on-off buttons. The Go 4's buttons are now more tactile and easy to press compared to the Go 3's. Both speakers have a similar layout, but the buttons on the left and right are changed. Power and Bluetooth pairing buttons are on the right on Go 3, and for Duo it is on the right, but with an Auracast button that helps pair to for stereo sound or connect multiple JBL Auracast-enabled speakers. Both also feature volume controls, play, pause buttons on the top, and a USB-C charging port on the right on Go and Go 3 on the left, making navigation simple and intuitive. Visually, the Go also has a larger, more prominent JBL logo, giving it a modern touch. Clearly, JBL took everything great about the Go 3 and enhanced it. Overall, JBL has made some noticeable improvements in both design and build quality. Alright, let's move on to connecting the JBL Go via Bluetooth. To pair, simply press the Bluetooth button on the speaker. You'll hear a tone indicating it's ready to pair. On your phone or device, go to Bluetooth settings, find the JBL Go and click Connect. Boom, you're paired in seconds, smooth and hassle-free. Now, let's take things up a notch by opening the JBL Portable app. Through this app, we can easily check the battery status, adjust EQ settings, and even update the firmware if needed. The app is straightforward and user-friendly, providing a great way to fine-tune the audio experience to your liking. Sound testing. Let's play some music to see how the Go performs. So, that's our full breakdown of the JBL Go 4, from unboxing to sound testing. If you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch, The Go 4 is definitely worth considering, especially if you want something a step up from the Go 3. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.